In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the loss of inventory in Teleprime. As we can see here, on 27th of January, it says one Corolla windscreen damaged during loading and unloading at the rate of $400. Now, there are two types of losses. One is normal loss, which is normally in the production units. That means that let's say that we have provided some wood to manufacture our table, but that was for, let's say, 12 kg. But when the table was produced, the table weight was 10 kgs. So during the process of conversion of that wood, that raw wood, to a table, there was some normal wastage, but that is the part of manufacturing process. This is the normal production process. So that's why that can be called a normal loss, which will be charged in cost of sales. But otherwise, in the trading business, if it says one Corolla windscreen damaged during loading and unloading, that means this is the mistake on our part. Our labor has mishandled the items, and that's why one was damaged. So this is an indirect expense for us that cannot be charged in cost of sales. So this is an abnormal loss. Let's see how we can deal with this in Tele. First of all, if we are in the daybook, I'll just press Alternate A to directly go to the accounting voucher creation mode. And from here, we will pass a simple journal entry. On our right, we have the F7 option. Just click here. And the date of the transaction is 31st of January. The entry should be loss of inventory debit and inventory should be credit. But loss of inventory account, I don't think it exists. No, it doesn't. So we need to create it on the debit side. Alternate C, we can directly create it from here and write here loss of inventory. And this one is our indirect expense. So I'll charge this in the indirect expenses category. Type of ledger, not applicable. Rounding method, not applicable. Press Ctrl A to save this. And now the ledger is created, right? Now one Corolla windscreen at the rate of $400 makes the total to 400. So I'll just write 400 here. And in the credit option, it looks like the inventory should be credited. But like I said, all the inventory in Teleprime is connected to purchases. So I'll just credit the purchases here. Just write here purchases. And once we hit enter, it will automatically connect you to the inventory allocation screen, where we will just simply mention Corolla windscreen. Order number is not applicable, so I'll just hit not applicable. And the quantity should be 1. Rate is automatically mentioned. Press enter, enter, and end of list. Enter again, and that should take you back through the main screen. Since inventory is credit, that means it will automatically reduce the inventory quantity. And you just have to mention the narration, and that's pretty much it. I'll just copy the narration from here, paste it here, and press Ctrl A. So this is how we can deal with the loss of inventory in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.